Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing something really incredible for you guys. And it is this Next.js 14 project template with built-in authentication, of course, using the app router and server actions. And I've built this template. You can find it on my GitHub. I'll leave the link in the description down below. But basically, what this template does, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to start your own projects using Next.js 14 and build full stack web applications blazingly fast. So usually when it comes to application building and when you're building your full stack applications, setting up the authentication and databases and stuff like that takes a long time. And this template right here basically does everything for you. All you need to do is provide it with your database URL and your NextAuth secret, and you're basically ready to start from there. Of course, if you have any other URLs for example, for AWS and stuff like that, you have to provide them on your own, but you get the idea. This makes it much more faster to build full stack applications. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing you guys on this project template and how you can get started with this template in just 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's just start configuring this. So first I have my VS Code opened here on the right side of the screen, and we can just go here and get a new terminal. And within this terminal, I'm just going to be cding into my workspace folder. And for you guys, this might be some other folder, but for me, I've used this YT projected folder for many of my applications. So let's just use it right now. And the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to copy this command, which basically just clones this into our local machine. There we go. And after this, we can just cd into our application. So now we're in it. And now we can actually just go ahead and open it. So I'm just going to click here, open folder. And then I'm just going to open it right here. And it's going to be this one right here. And let's just hit select folder. And within this folder, I'm going to go ahead and open again a new terminal. And within this terminal, we can just hit npm install. And this command basically installs all the dependencies for this application. There we go. Now all the dependencies have been loaded into the application. And now the next thing we need to do is that we need to create an env file with the database URL and our NextAuth secret. So let's do that. Let's just go here into application root and create a file called .env. And now we can just put this right here. We'll keep this as your secret, but right here, you guys, of course, want to provide your own database URLs. And now I have created my database URL to MongoDB and my NextAuth secret for Next.js authentication in my .env file right here. Of course, you guys can't see them as these are a secret. And the next thing we have to do is that we have to npx Prisma generate. And now when Prisma has been generated, we can just npm run dev to launch this application in the development mode. And now we can just open this in the localhost 3000. Okay, so guys, now on the left side of the screen, you guys can see the Next.js project template, which is a pretty simple application with just 3 routes. So right here, we have the home route on the root route, as you guys can see. And then we have these login and register routes right here. And we are currently not logged in, of course. So this is the register route, as you can see. And then we have this login route, which we can open, and there we go. We have this login screen right here. And of course, now we don't have a user in the database yet. So let's just go ahead and create one. So we can just call this a example user. And this is going to be called the example.mail.com, just something random. And then we can just give it a password. And then we can also just accept the terms of service. Of course, there are no terms of service yet, but then we can just click register right here. And if the user has been successfully created, we have this screen that tells that the registration was successful, and then we can move onto the home screen or straight into the login screen. So of course we are not logged in yet, so let's go here and log in, and let's use the example@mail.com. And then the password, and then we can just hit login, and boom, You guys can see we are logged in as the example at mail.com on our application right now. And of course, if I log out right here, you guys can see that there is no user logged in this application right now. So we can determine that the authentication actually also works, which is awesome. And yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next, and consider subscribing if you like this type of content. And as you guys can see here at the bottom of my GitHub repository for this Next.js project templates, you guys are allowed to contribute in this project. So this is basically an open source project, and you can use the code also freely with the MIT license. And yeah, this is basically it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.